How to delete your YouTube channel in 5 minutes? Welcome to SIKHEYA Channel. On your mobile phone, please find this YouTube app and tap on it. The YouTube app will open and please find this profile icon of your YouTube channel. Tap on it. Now click on this Manage Your Google Account option. Main page of Google account linked with your YouTube channel will open quickly, and now you will see this option Data and Privacy. You can also see your YouTube channel's name here. Now click on this Data and Privacy option. On this Data and Privacy page, you will get the option of deleting your YouTube channel permanently. You have to keep scrolling down at the bottom of this page. On your mobile screen, you will see many options displayed, like info that you can share with others, profile, location sharing, interested in learning more, and many more. But you have to keep scrolling down until the bottom of this page. YouTube is a service provided by Google. So, now to delete your YouTube channel, tap on this option Delete a Google service. It will take you to the main login page of your Gmail account linked with your YouTube channel. And just like here, I am logging into my Gmail account. Similarly, on your mobile screen, you will enter your Gmail password in the space provided and click Next. As you follow along, page like this will be displayed. On this page, please find this bin icon highlighted in red in front of the YouTube icon. Please click this bin icon. To delete your YouTube channel permanently, you have to click this option, I want to permanently delete my content. Next, giving your final confirmation to remove all of your YouTube content, you will click on this box 1 first, and secondly, scroll down and click on this box 2. Okay, after you clicked these two boxes, now you are looking at this blue button at the bottom of your screen. Please tap on this highlighted blue button saying Delete my content. After clicking this Delete my content button, you will land on this page. And here in this blue box, you have to write name of your YouTube channel. Just like here, I am writing name of my YouTube channel that I am going to delete permanently with all of its YouTube content that I have already posted. Now, after typing your channel name, please click on Delete my content option here and here once again, and you will see this updating pop-up highlighted in red circle, which means two things. One is that now Google is permanently deleting all of your content posted on your YouTube channel. And second thing is that now Google is permanently deleting your YouTube channel as well. Usually, this process takes a few minutes only, but may also take a couple of days if you have a lot of content posted on your YouTube channel. Congratulations! For now, you have successfully followed and completed all of the steps in order to permanently delete your YouTube channel. Please be mindfully very clear and note here that Google will now only delete your YouTube channel and not your Gmail account. You can always create a new YouTube channel with the same Gmail account in future. Great job! Now look for this profile icon highlighted in red circle in your YouTube app. Tap on it. Next, please tap on the small white arrow shown in front of your name and Gmail address. And voila! Congratulations! You have successfully deleted your YouTube channel permanently. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, kindly subscribe to our channel SIKHEYA.